Its skin is triggered more intensely than ever due to the constant city heat, pollution, stress, and shifting climates of towns, regions, and influenced by factors such as age, lifestyle, hormonal changes, cosmetic usage, existing skin conditions, despite about 60% of women and 40% of men experiencing sensitive skin. Most Filipinos don't consider seeing a dermatologist. While people know that consulting with with a board-certified dermatologist is ideal, many are unsure how to turn expert advice into practical everyday care, a recurring struggle that often leaves them stuck in the same routine. This is why, for Cetaphil Skin Lab, Dermatur, our goal is to make dermatological skincare more accessible for consumers. Cetaphil Skin Lab, Dermatur, makes dermatologist-led guidance approachable, acceptable, and reassuring, helping Filipinos understand all skin sensitivities deserve attention, not just severity. Thank you, everyone. Once again, welcome to Cetaphil's Skin Lab, Dermatur.